Yeah, people have been waiting at this gas station as early as 5 a.m., some even earlier. There was a sign on the door that said the store would be opening at 7 a.m. It is now almost 8 a.m. and you can still see the store has not opened. No one has been able to pump gas. Some are just waiting here, hoping that the gas truck is going to arrive. So there were some Circle K employees here a little earlier today. The manager was here. She didn't even have the keys to get inside the store, and so it was kind of a mess. She was waiting for someone to bring her the keys. Plus, she tells us that the gas truck was on its way over here, but due to the traffic surrounding the gas station, the truck isn't even able to make it on the premises. But since people have been waiting here since 5 a.m., they don't want to leave the premises. They're asking cars to basically leave so the gas truck can make it on and be able to provide gas, but no one's willing to leave. Some of them say, I've been here since 5 a.m. and they just don't want to leave. They need gas for their generators, they need gas for their cars, and it's just frustration. Tensions are growing high, and it's not just gas. People are looking for water, food, hot meals. Nothing is open yet. It's just very minimal is open. I actually was at this gas station yesterday, and the line was actually much worse than this, believe it or not. The line is stretching down all the way down Colonial Boulevard, past Walmart, and past several intersections down. But we'll be here and see at what time this gas truck is arriving. The employer said that it's on its way. It's just having issues getting here. For now, live in Fort Myers, Alexandra Rangel, Fox 4.